Which of the following is an equation with a line of slope positive 7/3? Indicate all such equations. And so what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to change each one of these equations into something closer to slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b form. It actually doesn't matter which side the plus b is. All we're really concerned with is getting a coefficient of 1 on y. When y is a coefficient of 1, then the coefficient of x is the slope, as long as they're on opposite sides of the equation. Okay, so let's look at the first one. What we're going to do with this is we're going to move the y to the other side. 7x equals 3y plus 10. We want to get a coefficient of 1 on y, so we're just going to divide by 3. We get 7x equals y plus, we don't even care what it is, 10 over third. This is actually a slope of positive 7/3, so A works. A is one of the ones that works. Now with B, move the 7y to the other side, divide both sides by 7. Here we get a slope of 3/7. That's the reciprocal of the slope that we want. That doesn't work. Let's look at C. Well, both of these are interesting because without even doing any math, notice that when we move them to the opposite side of the equation, we're going to get a negative. Either the x is going to be negative or the y is going to be negative. They're going to have opposite signs. That will give us a negative slope. And without even doing math, we see that's not going to work. We're going to get negative slopes. We're not going to get a positive slope. So we're not even going to do those. So this is already kind of solved for us. So here I'm just going to divide both sides by 7 to get y by itself. And that will give me 3/7 x equals y plus 2. Okay, very interesting. And this is also a slope of 3/7, the reciprocal of what we want, not the right answer. Here, to get y by itself, I'm going to divide everything by 3. So that will give me 7/3 x equals y plus 5. And here we do have a 7/3 x, a positive 7/3. That is the correct slope, the slope we want. So F actually works. Very interesting. Now we have to get y by itself, we have to multiply by reciprocals. So in G, I have to multiply by the reciprocal of 3/7, so everything has to get multiplied by 7/3. And so that will give me 7/3 x equals y plus whatever 16 times 7/3 is. I don't even care about that. But notice now we do again get this slope of 7/3, positive 7/3, which is what we want. G actually works. With H, we have to multiply everything by the reciprocal 3/7. You can see where this is going. We get 3/7 x equals y plus 17 times 3/7, whatever that is. Here we have the reciprocal of the slope we want. That is not actually what we want. It's not 7/3, so that's not correct. The only answers that work are A, F, and G.